protect the minister. Now the trick is, sometimes the minister talking, that don't mean that you to talk. When you're on post, you do not talk. If you want to go home, you make sure that the minister's okay, because if he's not okay, you damn sure gonna be okay, because you're the first one they take out. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the test back coming up, the minister is here. So what we're gonna do is come. Most of the time, the test back would never come a far range shooting. He would never do that if he have a handgun. He will always try to get a close range because he don't want nobody to stop him. So come close range. The close range is slow motion. The hand, the gun is up. The gun is here. Now, he's gonna come up. He always raise the gun up. Right? When he raises the gun, he really want a headshot. He don't want to sit here because it's not guaranteed. Sure. So he's gonna raise up to get a headshot. When he do that, if you're on post and you see him and you're paying attention, you can see by the look. Okay, here, watch my hand. My hand come here. I'm gonna spin the gun away. I'm here.
Yeah, he's gone.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gone. See what I'm saying?
All right.
He goes down. We put him down to protect everything.
Okay?
Yes,
Gonna try it again.
Yes, sir.
Quick,
All right?
Quick cut.
Okay, yes, sir. So it's here.